the fuck? You better pull over and see. Still alive. No. Fucking piece of shit.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be President of the United States.
This fucking guy ain't ready. I knew you weren't gonna be ready.
Fuck, you can drink coffee?
What do you look like? A fucking coffee guy. Come on, Frankie will make coffee. Get it, Frankie. Make coffee.
Damn it.
It's 11:30. We're supposed to be here. You know, we're supposed to be there by 9.
Yeah, I'll be ready.
Yeah, you're always fucking late. You're late for your own fucking funeral. The fuck you looking at?
Mikey Francesi
That guy, yeah, I want to see him. I see him.
and Jimmy Two Times, who got that nickname because he said everything twice, like...
I'm gonna go get the papers, get the papers, get the papers, get the papers.
Now go home and get your fucking shine box.
Motherfucker! You fucking piece of shit! Come on,
Yeah.
Come on.
keep him here. Come on.
Back. Come on, you fucking feel strong?
Goodbye, Jimmy. What's your rush? It's no fucking good either. You can't fucking drop a little
There you go. Thank you,
Spider-Man. Hey, Spider, that fucking bandage on your foot is bigger than your fucking ass.
Why don't you go fuck yourself, Tommy? Why don't you go fuck yourself, Tommy?
That's fucking right. I don't believe what I just heard. Hey, Spider, here. Yeah, this is for you. Attaboy. I got respect for this. He's got a lot of fucking balls. Good for you. Don't take no shit off nobody. He shoots him, tells him to go fuck himself. You gonna let this fucking punk get away with that? What's the matter? What's the world coming to?
What the fucking world is coming to? Ain't like that. That's that, all right? What's the fucking matter? What is the fucking matter? What are you, stupid or what?